And in my experience guys, sobrang dami ko ng pinagdaanan na betrayals. As in, sobrang dami. And I've seen the patterns, I've seen how they react, I've seen how they talk. And most of the time, tayong mga leaders, in denial lang talaga tayo. I'm pretty sure at some point, may mga taong napansin mo na mawawala sa buhay mo. May mga taong napansin mo na hindi sila tatagal. May mga taong napansin mo na sobrang manipulative. Napansin mo na toxic. Napansin mo na negative. Napansin mo na miserable talaga yung buhay nila. Ramdam mo din na abusado sila. Pero nung ginawa na nila yung nararamdaman mo, hindi mo pa rin matanggap, diba? Kasi in denial ka. I've been there. I keep telling myself na hindi ko talaga ine-expect, pero in reality, alam ko na eh. Nakita ko na. Hindi ko lang matanggap. So our job is to accept as fast as we can so that we can move forward as fast as we can. Kasi pag hindi tayo nag-move forward as leaders, talo tayo.